What is your fleet made of? Hello again everyone, I'm Ray, your SM2 superfan, and I'd like to talk about vehicles and equipment, literally what your fleet is made of. How you set up your vehicle profiles is a crucial part of your fleet's management. It determines how a vehicle is maintained, which in turn affects how long it lasts and its resale value, what type of fuel and other fluids you can put in it, where and when it's supposed to be used, and so on. When it comes to fleet management, if your vehicles and equipment are not set up properly from the get-go, the rest will definitely suffer. Let's have a look at what vehicle profiles look like in SM2. There are two essential aspects to each vehicle: its vehicle class and its profile. A vehicle class is a group of vehicles that share some key characteristics like the type of fluids it can take, the maximum capacity of the tank, what normal fuel consumption quantities are, and what meter info you want the driver to input at the fuel island terminal if that data isn't captured automatically by Coencorp vehicle data units. The vehicle profile is where specific units are defined. As with users, vehicles can belong to a department, cost center, or any internally defined group. Different meter values can be tracked for each unit, such as odometer and engine hours. You can specify a ton of details like the VIN, license plate number, acquisition cost, book value, and a whole bunch more. If the unit is identified via a long-range RFID plate, which is often the case in public transit operations, for instance, this is where you would put in the plate numbers. If this vehicle has a vehicle data unit, or VDU, on board for automatic engine data capture, this is where you enable the feature. What's great is that you don't even need to program or configure anything in the field. Just plug into the diagnostics port, note the VDU serial number, and input it here along with the offset values. Once you hit save, you're done and the vehicle will start sending engine data. Another vehicle attribute is the set of geofences for which you would like to receive notifications based on a vehicle's position relative to those areas. You can also assign maintenance plans to each vehicle and specify the state of each system on board, like transmission, brakes, and suspension. As if all of that wasn't enough, you have the option of adding up to 5 custom fields and images of the unit to complete the profile. Vehicles and equipment are what your fleet is made of, so I shouldn't even have to say how important proper setup of each unit is. We always love to chat, so contact us today to learn more. Until then, keep it efficient.